Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit an image in Photopea, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I am on the Photopea website, and since this is an online editor, this is where you have to be, and you don't have to do anything else. And here you just need to select a new image which you want to edit. Now you can select one from your computer, you can select a new project which is blank and add whichever images you want later, or you can select one of the templates, which is what I'll be doing. Now I'll just be using this 99 effect template for this, and that should be pretty much it. Once I select it and click it twice, it should load up the template here, and here you can start freely editing the picture. Now here you can do whatever you would like. You can resize it, you can select parts of the image and then move them or not. All right, that was just, I was confused for a bit. But yeah, you can select parts of the image which you would like to move. You can then just select it with a lasso tool if you want to select a certain part of the image, and then you can delete it. However, this layer is not editable, so for some reason it doesn't want to work. You can remove the background by right-clicking and clicking remove VG, and it removed something. I don't know what it did, but it just made the image lighter. It just didn't select anything as the background. It might have selected the interference of the texture as a background, but yeah, you can do whatever you would like. You can just select a color by using the eyedropper, and yeah, the reason why all of this happens and why I can't do anything is because this is a template, this is a background, and I cannot edit it as far as I know. But yeah, you can use both a brush as well. You just need to select the size of the brush, the hardness and everything, and then you can use it freely. For some reason this doesn't appear to be showing anything. My bets are on it processing or being in the background, and it just depends on the layer. But yeah, this is pretty much it. You just enter this and you can use all the tools at your disposal as you would in Photoshop or anything of the sort, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.